Hi, welcome back to BuonaPappa. Today we're going to prepare together a super healthy and pink recipe for our little ones. We are going to cook beet and potato gnocchi. I use the traditional Italian potato gnocchi recipe and I simply add some beets. Let's start together with this super healthy and fun recipe to make. First thing to do, I'm going to cook my potatoes and my beets. I'm going to boil the potatoes 20 minutes starting from when the water is boiling, and I'm going to do the same with my beets. The beets usually they take longer, around 1 hour time. I'm going to take a nice big bowl and I will add the flour and I will mash the beets with the potato masher. I will do the same with the potato. Add the egg and just a pinch of salt. Of course, if you're preparing this recipe for a baby under 1 year, you can simply skip the salt part. Mix together with a fork first and with your hands later to create a not so sticky dough. Dust a flat surface with some flour. Just take a piece of the dough and roll it in order to form a long cylinder. And cut the cylinder in tiny pieces, 1 each long. Place the tiny gnocchi one next to the other on some parchment paper. Meanwhile, you can take a nice pot, fill it with water and bring the water to boil. When the water is boiling, add 1 tablespoon of oil so that the gnocchi will not stick with each other. And then drop 10 or 12 gnocchi at a time. Now it's time to wait for the magic trick of the gnocchi. You will see that after 3-4 minutes, the gnocchi from the bottom of the pan will start raising to the surface, and that means that they're cooked. Simply remove them from the surface and place them in a nice bowl. The dressing for these beets potato gnocchi is super simple. Just 1 handful of grated pecorino cheese and a drizzle of extra virgin olive oil. I really like the saltiness of the pecorino, that it is in contrast with the sweet flavor of the beet gnocchi. This is a super healthy and simple recipe, perfect for babies starting from 10 months or for toddlers or for the rest of the family. I really hope your kids and your little ones are going to enjoy the gnocchi like we did, and we're going to see each other next week with another recipe from BuonaPappa, and as always, BuonaPappa a tutti. And if you're looking for similar recipes, please check all the links in the description box below and remember to subscribe. Ciao!